Right back on the job, so that's gone off overnight. So what we need to do now is get the blockwork in here. What I'm going to do is cut a piece to fit directly under there, exactly there. I've brought some slate up, so once we've got a piece in there, I'm going to slot it in, and then I'll just do that the best I can up there. I've got to make sure this is well supported because that runs all the way through the building, and then the same with these here. There's not a lot of lip on them, but I think because of the thickness of this, it sort of mitigates it a bit. But we'll do whatever we can to get that as close as we can, even if it means putting a centimetre corbel over the block or whatever. Got to look after that. Right, I'm going to go and get some lime mortar mixed up, and then we'll crack on.
Oh, that is a lot of lollies, mate. Anyway, to make matters worse, check this out.
She says 8 of the 30 cases were unaccounted for. She had to go to the post office to rectify the situation.
So not only she's spent 4 grand, she's got 70,000, expecting to get 70,000 lollies, she's only got being cut short on them. She hasn't even got what she paid for.
Slitting that once that's gone off.
I want to know, will she manage to return them, or does she have to keep 70,000 lollies?
Well,
There's always a returns policy. That's going to come out. There's going to be a full block go across to there because of the bond here. So where the bond is there, that's going to be a half. That's going to be a full. So I need to get a piece. But we need to make sure this is well supported. So I might just cut a piece that long to sit in there and then infill. I think. Let's see what we could come up with.
These words despite the crushing disappointment.
Very difficult with words. I mean, we got
And PSG's victory sets up a final
Well, no, the thing was.
in Munich on May the 31st.
No. But he took over from Tim Volter and the team was bottom when he took over. His mission was just to keep him in the league.
Final, they hold a 3-1 aggregate lead, and despite this
Talking of defeat, it's Paul tonight. You've got Paul tonight. Ooh, you're the best. You could have this when you go to collect your trophy for finishing top in the league.
The guy above me is one game in front.
Headed for the love getaway. We're heading on down to the love shack. We can get together and have fun. Tom did, and he likes, for some reason, he like does a lot bigger joint than what I do. Right. At least you cut them, I suppose. So that's just going to make the new reveal for the new window. You see, I've got that sort of filled in and budged on and whatever was required. Right on, that's that bricked up. I've had to go around the pin because obviously that's pulled in, so I've tried to do the bricks flush. That's coming along to here. Behind there is where the window's going to be. Still loud down there, behind me. Yeah, you got thick bricks, thin bricks, all sorts of stuff. So it is on the wonk, but you know what it's like with this building. Don't you? All you got to do is look up there. Yeah, we'll get there. Right, onwards and upwards. So what we need to do now is get that half a lintel out. We're going to take that prop up. These bricks are going to drop out probably, so we can get that made good. I'll be doing that while Tom's wrestling with that bit of timber there. We're probably going to lose some brickwork from here too. Flying extension lead. Yeah, then we'll get that bricked up. Not bricked up, get the lintel on. Get the rest of it bricked up. Then we'll look at getting that boarded up so there's no opening left. But yeah, I don't think it looks too bad. Oh, I just like the ragged look. I keep saying it all the time. Some people slate me for it, but you're not going to do bucket handle jointing on a building like this. Come on, let's face it. You can see everywhere where we've done remedial works and how wonky the building is. I'll get my drawing up later so we can have a look. Always a good sign when you set the prop out and everything stays where it is. But I am taking them out because, yeah, I've just got to. But I'll replace them back. We was having a little discussion last week. And Tom says to me, why do you think they only painted up to there? Now, knowing what we know about the previous people who had this building.
Yeah, he probably didn't paint it.
He probably didn't paint it at all. But we also said that his ladder probably only reached that far. Yeah. So that's alright, Tom. So are you going to hack that? And I'll get them bricks in there. Get that completed, that bit.
Yeah, we'll do it.
You've still got that supported, remember?
Yeah, hammer and chisel in there.
Yeah. The west wing's in here. There's your west wing. Yeah. No, I can't see a wood chisel in there, matey. If you take them bricks out, they're going to come out anyway. That'll take you a little bit to get this out, won't it? Yeah, that's coming out, isn't it? That's bricked up in a fashion. Them bricks are set back there. It's the same here, but I've put a bit of pointing over it. So that's there. I've used some of the old imperials and oh god knows all sorts of stuff. It's like how far do you go? Tom's just going to get his drill bit just so he could release that bolt from there. I've just pulled this out to there. Now these are going to drop. But yeah, we're there. Playing that bloody, what's that block game where you take the bits of wood out and something else falls down? Jenga! Jenga but with bricks. Yay!
I did it with there was 2x2s. PSC Jenga on fucking holiday one year. Fucking hell. It was the timber was up rock hard and looking heavy as fuck. Yeah. And everyone was in flip flops. or no shoes at all.
Safety flip flops.
Fucking hell.
Anywhere I please. I'm sure I saw half somewhere. Right, this is going to be controversial. So I think we've come up with a plan. But, what we're going to do is set a block on its edge like that and get it in there, like that sort of thing. So it holds it. It'll sit on here. We'll do that with all of them. Then we'll tie it all in. And you think when it's finished, the weight of the building is going to counterbalance it and keep it snug. That's all we can do. Right. Right, so I've had to trim these bricks down to get them on here to try and get them to some sort of course. This is our plan for here, so we've cut breeze blocks and they're going to slightly counterbalance over just to hook under the timber there. It's going to stay on there, but we'll get that packed with slate or something. Same on there. But once we build on this side and then it ties through to all the existing brickwork, we should be well in. We should be alright. So yeah, I'll start to fill this in now. Right, started bricking up on the lintel now. The blocks are there on the side, so they're laying in under, and then I've just built what I can really to fill in these voids. Still going to put a bit in there. See, they've run all the way along there. Yeah. So yeah, cut the frogs off them. Well, the frogs are there actually, but I cut the frogs off just to get them in, just to try and keep some sort of course. Bloody hell, it's roasting. Yeah, that's all finished around the pin now. And then we'll have to rebuild the ones that have fallen out. I'll have to get rid of that acro soon because it's going to be in the way. Right, after lunch. Right, that's that bricked up in a fashion. Because it didn't want to courses the way I wanted it, so I ended up doing this brick on edge here, just a bit of a string course. We've got slate packed in every now and then just to hold this because we wanted to get the acros out. And then what we'll probably do is, like Tom just said, we'll cut it out, grind it out, and we'll grind out all these joints and get these pointed up another time. So it just wants a final ragging, well that side mainly. But yeah, that's what we deal with this wonky building. It ain't Tom.
Old buildings move.
This one's moved to the next street, isn't it?
It's moved over quite a bit in its
I know, when you look at it, how far it's bellied, and then bricks hang over and then back, and
but it's not going nowhere.
it's not going anywhere either.
Well, pointed, or is it?
What are you
Has it
looking?
been ground out, not pointed, or just not pointed?
No, it's just not. It's just dirt from this side.
Oh, right.
Yeah, all the bloody pins in it holding it
So
together.
Get a cover over that, stop the pigeons going in. We've already had a pigeon in.
Yeah, stop the pigeon. All right, say ta-ra, Tom. Here it comes.
Ta-ra, Tom.